RIMPAC 2022. An American event where other nations can come, bring their little gunboats, and sail in awe of the United States Navy. They're adorable. Welcome to America! This is what a real naval base looks like. Shock and awe, mate. We even made a PowerPoint, the universal language of militaries, to explain how much better we are than them. They thought they came here to train for war? So we beat them at soccer, volleyball. We even outrode them. Okay, no, they won that one because we have nuclear power, baby. We don't need oars. Smashed them in tennis. Outran them towards the battlefield. We outswam them. Look at that form. We out-basketballed them, rope pulled them, and then we went to sea. Get out of the way, ocean! Word started getting around. These Americans were different. They were bloody good at everything. Whee! Boop. We even let them bomb us. Twice! And still we did not sink. So we gave them a second chance. And that one did sink. But that was okay, because that was for crew morale. Then we gave them a ride on planes that looked like helicopters, then actual helicopters, and then airboats, because we invented Disney World. Hi, Mars. Put the bomb back. I swear we can't take him anywhere. We use night vision in daytime because it works both ways. We got small guns, big guns, whatever the hell that is. We even dropped a boat in the ocean and made the loser swim to it, and then they came back, so we gave them guns and made them Americans. Someone even invited the Coast Guard. We are the United States Navy. Big ships, big guns, and helicopter planes just to screw with their heads. Ships, look at all these ships. They're all sailing in rows because we don't have enough room for them to fit all in one screen. I gotta go be in motherfucking rows. RIMPAC 2022 may be over, but we'll see you in 2 years, and we'll pack that rim again. Sailor.